What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to swap Hamster to USDT in the Binance application. So I will be providing the Binance affiliate link in the description of this video. So make sure that you follow that link in order to get up to like $5,000 bonus for the USDT for your first purchase using that referral link. So let's get back into the video. So in order to do so, all you have to do is to go to the trade button, and in the trade select your market. For example, between you can do it market or limit, and you can use the Hamster Combat token in the form section, and in the to section you can use the USDT. So here you can have to write the number of tokens that you have. For example, let's go with the 5,000, and if you have 5,000 hamster token, it will be equivalent to 23.49 USDT. So all you have to do is to tap on the trade button. So once you do it, your USDT Hamster Combat coin will be converted to the USDT. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.